You have got to live before you die.
If you work for a salary or a wage, then money is an important factor in your life. So there you are, making between $60,000 and $150,000 per year. You've got a good home, steady employment, you drive a decent car. Sometimes you even feel comfortable. This one precious life of yours is made up of time. Are you trading away that time for dollars at a job that you aren't even passionate about? Every morning, you might even separate yourself from those you love in order to do this. With real estate investing, you don't want properties so much as you want its passive income that you don't have to work for. Now, your eternal time versus money dilemma is solved. If you don't know why you urgently need financial freedom, do it so that you can be yourself. See, you wake up to a blaring alarm to get to your job, and that's how your day starts. Then you're programmed to tote company lines all week. Near the end of the workday, you're playing another tireless charade, screwing around on the internet while you're watching the clock like it's a countdown timer so you can get out of there. That's unethical. You aren't being yourself because you wouldn't naturally do those things. Most employees aren't driven by purpose, they're driven by fear. Your growth can only begin when you peel back each layer of your vulnerability onion and get honest with yourself. The roots of change are nourished with genuineness. You'd rather quit your job and be a nature photographer or a Red Cross volunteer or a sports writer or travel, even if your job is okay. Wouldn't life be better if you were job optional? You haven't created the time to feel peace, joy, happiness, giving, love, and freedom in your life. You spend all this time learning how work works, zero time learning how money works, yet money is the only reason that you even go to work. Look, you won't obtain freedom by getting your money to work for you. Every dollar that you put in a stock or 401k plan can't leverage other people's money. For freedom, you must ethically employ other people's money. That's the mindset shift. Real estate gives you limitless access to other people's money, the banks, the governments, and your tenants. When you have enough passive income to meet all of your expenses, you can quit your job and be free. Real estate is the generationally proven way to build wealth, and you don't even need any degree or certificate. That's why I talk tirelessly on my podcast and in videos and articles and newsletters and wrote a book and keep visiting the best geographic markets to find the right opportunities and properties and to meet the right people. In this one life of yours, you can either be a conformer or you can build wealth. Once you have time freedom, whether or not you want to go on to be rich from there, well, that part's up to you. This is an unselfish act because when you do what you love, you'll produce better results for both your family and society. You can't help others if you're poor. Don't live below your means. Expand your means with anything that you do in life. The sad thing is, you have a choice in this, yet you're selling your time and your soul for money, and that's what breaks my heart. Learn how to invest in real estate the smart, patient, stable way. Most people get used to settling in life. When you were 12 years old and thought about your adult life, I'll tell you one thing that you never thought. Someday, I'm going to live a small life. Well, now that's precisely what you've done. Get real with me. How much did your employer pay you to quit your dreams? Do you even remember what your dream was from when you were 12? I bet you've forgotten. When your dreams die, you die. Most people die at age 25. It's just that they're not buried until age 85. Will you live before you die?